Volunteering for American Diabetes Association. Tour de Cure, and we're manning the rest stop here at Big Rock Park. So, wait for the cyclists to get refueled. Good morning.
Robin.
Good morning. Oh, that's right. See in the background all of the riders stopping to gas up on the energy drinks, Gatorade, water, have fruit, energy bars, little tools if they need to do any type of repair on their bikes, and of course the little seating areas and restrooms for them. So again, I'm supporting, how we do it. Beautiful day out. Sun shining. A little windy, as bikers say, but I guess going on their way back, they'll catch a nice wind at the back and it'll be a lot easier on them.